welcome back to Trini Kitchen with Kavita. So today we'll be making some curry potato and chicken. So here I have 4 pounds of chicken that was already cleaned and washed, and now it's being seasoned with green seasoning. And for the green seasoning there is shadow benny, chive, onion, garlic and pimentos ground together. It is being further seasoned with salt to taste. There's also going to be 1 tablespoon of saffron added to this, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder also, and a half tablespoon of jeera powder. So the potatoes, I am using Canadian potatoes, and they were already washed and peeled, so they were just cut into 4 pieces, just like this here. So I'm just going to add that now to the chicken, and I have about 3 potatoes here. Now that all my potatoes are added into the chicken, I am going to mix everything together, ensuring that all of my chicken and potato is well coated with this green seasoning and curry powder and stuff. I am very sorry for the poor video quality. I also have some oil being heated here, and that is about 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil being heated on a low heat. So I'm going to get ready now to fry my curry. Now we are going to burn our curry. So I'm throwing about 2 tablespoons of curry in there. And so my curry, I would put some carapuli leaves in there, so that whenever I'm cooking, it's already in my curry powder, so I just would throw that in there. So now I am going to add some water, a 1/4 cup of water, and just stir this around a little, and leave this to fry. I'm going to leave this to fry. And you want this to fry up until... Okay, so we left our curry to fry until you see all this bubble on top. And these bubbles on top is the oil that surfaced. So the curry powder settled at the bottom and all this oil surfaced on top. So that's when you know that your curry powder is properly fried. At this point, you can now add your chicken and potatoes into your pot and just mix it up in there, making sure that everything is well coated in that fried curry, so that way we have a nice color to our curry and it doesn't look too white. So I'm just going to mix this inside of here, and then I will cover it and leave it to cook on a low heat for like 5 minutes. And again, I really do apologize for the poor video quality. I will work on that some more. So this is what it looks like when it is all coated. So now I'm just gonna cover this, and so it has been 5 minutes. The chicken was cooking on a low heat covered, so I just removed that cover, and now I'm going to give this a little stir to make sure that it is not sticking to the bottom or the sides of the pot. Now we would want to add some water in here for this chicken and potato to further cook for like about 30 to 35 minutes. So the bowl in which I seasoned my chicken and potato, I just rinsed that out and I kept that water so that I have all that seasoning and everything in there. And I got about 1.5 cups of water, so I'm just gonna add that into the chicken now. you want to add enough water so that it is just sitting on top of your chicken and potato, and you're going to turn your heat into medium and allow that to further cook. So it has been 35 minutes now that chicken was cooking on medium heat. So at this point you can always taste for salt, and you can always add more salt if you like. So I'm just going to test the consistency of my gravy to make sure that it's thick enough for me. And I'm also going to take that spoon and cut into the potatoes to make sure that they are cooked thoroughly. And there we have it. So for me this is good, because when it cools down, that gravy is going to thicken a little more because there's potatoes in there, so that potato is going to absorb some of that gravy. So I'm just going to turn this off now and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.